Hey everybody, you are looking live on tape from another gorgeous day here in Central Florida. We have a storm front coming in right now as I'm seeing lightning and hearing thunder. But I'm at Epcot, so I'm not worried about it. Plan is for the night, we're going to ride Guardians of the Galaxy just over Meow, and then head back to the Magic Kingdom to watch the 4th of July celebration. As recording of this, it's only July 3rd, so let me, so the common question is, well Brandon, what do you mean? It's July 3rd. Tip from the pros, Magic Kingdom does 4th of July fireworks on the 3rd and the 4th. So we're gonna do that, but first, Guardians of the Galaxy. Thanks for joining me, glad you did. Let's get to it. Man, this is gonna be a fun night, man. Whew. It is a bit warm, but we're gonna have fun. Let's get to it.
That blasted outward in what you terrorists refer to as the Big Bang. And for nothing came the beginning of everything.
On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which
You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
So I'm on Guardians of the Galaxy ride. It's not my personal favorite, but I'm gonna try to do some footage, but honestly, if I hold on for dear life, don't be mad. I'm not the world's greatest rider, Michelle. Do you like this ride?
I love this ride. I love it.
It is one of Michelle's favorite, but just that backward launch, like that thing, and like I'm not a small man, so like being cramped in here is kind of weird. I'm gonna try to film my best.
I've lost onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
This unusually large man.
I don't like this. Not a fan. Not a fan. Not a fan of this part.
Existence.
This is where I get terrified.
I think we're going back.
Nope.
You're lying to them. Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh man. Oh.
Live in the moment, baby. Please. Watch it, baby.
Going.
All right, I just want to look.
Waiting for the next shot. I don't know. I gotta tell you here in a minute. I'll give you like a quick sum up, but I'm at the Contemporary Resort already. Also, Contemporary very popular on July 3rd.
Great idea.
So I hope you enjoyed some of the firework footage I got. I'm not a huge firework photographer, and we're heading back over to Epcot, but I will say, if you're trying to like get in and out of Disney on July 3rd or 4th, the pros, I'm not even going to tell you yet because I want to let it marinate, but I have hacked it. I think I really do. Thanks for joining me. Glad you did. If you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you hated what you saw, then I don't know what to tell you because you just don't like America. And I'm going to get on a monorail and go home tonight, guys. Friendly cast members everywhere. USA, July 3rd at Magic Kingdom, probably one of the better fireworks shows I've seen. And guess what? Tomorrow, or in a couple days, for sure, make sure you stay tuned because we're gonna have another staycation resort review with 4th of July at Epcot, and I can't wait to do it. Again, thanks for joining me. Glad you did. If you like what we saw today, you know, I always say when I'm doing my videos, I always say keep the parks clean. I got some help this time. Caden?
It's 4th of July, yeah, we're at Disney, it's fun!
And say keep the parks clean.
Yeah, keep the park.
That seemed pretty natural. We're gonna give that a round 2. So I close all my videos with keep the parks clean. Make sure you tell them.
It's Disney World, 4th of July, 2023, and keep the parks clean.
Couldn't said it better. Excuse me. Nailed it.